I never wanted to become a 75-year-old lunch lady. There's nothing wrong with being a lunch lady. I actually love the kids. But I knew my body wasn't going to let me keep doing that kind of work forever. I still wanted to pay off my house. I still wanted more time with my family. And I knew something had to change. That's why I said yes to digital marketing. Not because I thought it would make me rich overnight, but because it gave me hope that I could build something that didn't depend on how many hours I could physically work. Now, here's the exciting part. Last week, my friend Michelle turned 56, and for her birthday, she's on a mission to help 56 families start building that same kind of freedom. If that sounds like something you'd like to learn more about, just comment the word blueprint below. I'll send you the Freedom Formula Blueprint completely free. And if you'd like to learn even more, visit manufactureroffreedom.com. Remember, every small step you take today can change the rest of your life. I'll see you in the next video.